It's your boy Spaz coming at y'all with another video. It's not a music video, as you can see. It's nothing to do with music. It's a firearm video. So today I got two of my EDCs. Yes, I said two, not just one. I know y'all probably used to people having one EDC, but we do got those people that carry two. Now, for those people who carry two, let's focus on this video. Glock 43X, 9mm, Gen 5, FN, Tactical, 503, 9mm. The differences: 8-round magazine, 20 magazine. It's really 15 plus the 5. But when you put one in the chamber, it takes it to 21. Both guns are clear, by the way. Let me show you guys that. Before I do anything else. Glock 43. FN Tactical. Now, let's get into these firearms. I picked this one up from a gun shop. Private seller was selling nothing but Glocks, but he had like 2-3 FNs left over. So I decided to pick it up. This is my first FN. Not really a FN guy, more of a Glock guy, but I like to try new things. I like to explore. Why not? Now, just sit back and enjoy the ride. Like, comment, subscribe.
Bullets gon' make him float.